Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have a thrilling comparison between two top-notch dash cams that will take your driving experience to the next level.
On the left, we have the REDTIGER 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the UHD dash camera. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top.
When it comes to capturing your drive journey in stunning detail, both these dash cams offer some impressive features. The REDTIGER 4K dash cam boasts a 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. That's like having an IMAX theater in your car. On the other hand, the UHD dash camera takes it a step further with an incredible 8K resolution for the front camera and 2.5K for the rear camera. It's like watching a Hollywood blockbuster on your windshield.
Now let's talk about the features that make these dash cams stand out.
The REDTIGER 4K dash cam comes with a convenient touchscreen that allows you to access all the features with a swipe of your finger. It also has built-in GPS, so you can track your vehicle's location, speed, and route.
Plus, it has a 24-hour parking monitoring mode to keep your car safe even when you're not around. On the other hand, the UHD dash camera also offers a touch of technological magic. It comes with a nifty app that lets you connect your smartphone to the dash cam via Wi-Fi.
You can live stream, download videos, and even edit and share your footage on the go. And let's not forget the built-in GPS that accurately records your driving location and speed.
It's like having a personal navigator right on your dashboard.
Now let's delve into the special features that make these dash cams truly extraordinary. The REDTIGER 4K dash cam comes equipped with a supercapacitor, ensuring uninterrupted operation in extreme weather conditions.
It also has a loop recording feature that automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full, ensuring you never miss a moment on the road. But wait, the UHD dash camera has a trick up its sleeve.
It offers a 24-hour parking continuous recording function. But here's the catch. You need to buy a separate hardware kit to unlock this feature.
So if you're willing to go the extra mile to keep your vehicle safe, the UHD dash camera wins the special features battle.
Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price.
The REDTIGER 4K dash cam comes with a price tag of $229. But hold your horses because it also includes a free 64GB memory card. On the other hand, the UHD dash camera comes in at a slightly lower price of $179 and even includes a free 32GB memory card. It's a tough call, but the UHD dash camera takes the crown in affordability. The REDTIGER 4K dash cam and the UHD dash camera have received positive reviews from customers.
Reviewers praised the REDTIGER 4K dash cam for its reliability, user-friendly design, and crystal-clear recording quality. The UHD dash camera is highly recommended for its excellent picture quality, easy installation, and app connectivity. Both dash cams have their strengths, and it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and budget. And there you have it, folks.
We've compared the REDTIGER 4K dash cam and the UHD dash camera in various categories, and it's time to announce the winner.
Drum roll, please.
The winner of this dash cam showdown is the UHD dash camera.
With its impressive video quality, convenient app, connectivity, and special features, it takes the cake in this comparison. But hey, both these dash cams are fantastic choices, so ultimately it depends on your personal preferences and budget.
That's all for today's episode of Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And remember, always buy smart.